There's no sunshine, and I thought, let me do a bit of exercise outside today. So I'm going to be taking a walk. No indoor exercise today. The weather is okay. It's not, let me show you. It's very cold, but it's not as freezing as like that I can't go out. I thought I do a walk today instead of sitting at home doing my exercise. Good morning, guys. Hello, all. How are you all doing? I hope everyone is doing fine. Um, I'm your host, AJ of Honey's Kitchen and Lifestyle. You're welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I want to start doing a vlog at least once a week now. So today is um today is it Friday? Yes, today is Friday, so we will be starting our vlog every Friday now. So I'll be doing, it's going to be like a compilation. Anyway, guys, how are you all doing? You're welcome back. So to all my returning subscribers, you're welcome. I love you guys. So I'll be taking you all through my my activities today. Anyway, guys, to all those watching me for the first time, you're welcome to my channel. I hope you find my channel very, very useful. I hope you find it very, very interesting. Please let me know in the comment section if you do. So let's start with our walk today. It's going to be like quite a long walk, but I will be taking you guys through it all. So see you guys soon. Keep watching, I will say. Keep watching. So I'm going to be walking in this park. It's quite a big park. So I'll show you guys now. It's a very, very big park. So guys, this is how big the park is. So I'm going to be walking all the way around. Then I'll come back here again. Then I'll head home. So guys, see it. I think there's something happening down there. I'll show you guys when I get there. So this is what's here. I think there's a circus going on this weekend. This usually happens when the weather is getting better, like we're in the spring now. So they come around, they set up, then they all come and have fun. It's only for the weekend anyway. So I'm sure this place will be jumping by this weekend. It's like when you have amusement park in Nigeria. Yeah, these people, they go around everywhere. Europe, UK. So guys, I had to wear my jacket because it's still very, very cold, so that I won't freeze out here. The sun is not even out, but I thought coming out to get some fresh air. Yesterday I was indoor all through on my bed. I didn't even come downstairs. I was so too tired. So today, nice weather. It's not too cold. It's not sunny either. So keep watching, guys. I hope you guys have stood up from your bed. Let's flex those muscles. Let's work out. As you get old, your bones get weaker. But when you do your exercise, take like 10 minutes walk a day. You'll feel better. So guys, I'm back home. Guys, this is one part of my life that I love so much. This is one part of my life that I will never shy away from. Right from my childhood, I've always loved to dance. I've always loved to show myself anywhere I go to. Sometimes my children will say, Mom, you're on the street. Stop shaking your body. Once we even go to any parties, you see me, I'm already standing up. I'm already dancing. I love dancing so much. I don't care how old I am. I don't care what age I will be. I will continue to dance. I will continue to flex my body. You see me watching videos on what is trending, what dance is trending, and I'll try to move my body, just shake it to the little way that I can. So So I thought I'd show you some of my dance moves. Please let me know in the comment section if you do, or you are just that kind of a person that loves to dance like me. Please let me know. I like to move that body. I like to shake my body. Hi guys, you're welcome back. So let me tell you guys what has gone behind the scene that I have not filmed. I hope you guys like that video that I danced. I think that is one part of my life that I will never shy away from, no matter how old I am. I love to dance. Every opportunity that I have, I use it to dance. I just dance. I just love dancing. I try to learn every move that is trending, and I dance. So after dancing, I took my boys out. We went to cut our hair. So I've cut my hair. Look at it. I'm trying to recreate like Anita Baker's hairstyle, because my daughter said she wanted me to grow back my hair, but I don't think I really want to grow it back. But I'll just have these little parts, you know, so that I can curl it and just have a nice hairstyle. So I've had my bath, and then I thought, so we cook some jollof rice. You know, life of a caterer. What else? You know, 2-3 times in a week we get to eat jollof rice. Let me know in the comment section if you are one family that gets to eat jollof rice like 3 times in a week or 2 times in a week. So I don't even know what to tell you guys anymore. Am I running out of ideas? Let me know if you run out of ideas at times. Your head will just go blank, pam, and you won't know what to say. Anyway, let me show you guys what I am cooking. Anytime in my vlog that I don't show you guys jollof rice, we always get to eat jollof rice every time. So they are eating jollof rice this afternoon, and I made some sauce with meat, shaki, abodi, and goat meat inside. After I finished eating that rice, I just slept off. Sincerely speaking, I just slept off on the couch, and it's night now, and I thought I should make this vlog just very short, because I think the last vlog was quite a long one, and I realized that people were not watching it. They weren't watching it that much, so I thought I should, you know, make this one very short and very interesting, that you guys will be able to watch it. So I'm getting ready to go to bed now. I've had my bath. I want to cleanse my face with this QE, you know, clean my face, then go to bed. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know in the comment section what you enjoyed, what part you enjoyed of this, what the parts that you enjoyed most in the vlog. Let me know. So to all those watching me for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Please guys, subscribe to my channel. Please help me watch the advert. Help me watch this vlog to the end. If there's anything that you guys want me to do, please let me know, and I'll definitely do it. That will make this channel very interesting. See, so my face is looking nice because I cleanse it in the morning and I cleanse it before I go to bed at night. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate all of you. So till I come your way again, take care, stay safe, and God bless you all. God bless you. God bless your home. God bless your family. Thank you guys. Bye.